The main focus has to be the economy, and of course central to that is creating jobs, especially for young people. And what we are saying is that it's not enough to say that young people who've been out of work for a year will be offered something. We want the Welsh Government to take up the European Youth Guarantee Scheme, which means that anyone out of a job or out of education for 4 months will be offered a place in apprenticeship or a place in college or a job. And it's so important too that we realise how the European Union has helped to keep jobs in factories like this, which a few years ago were in serious trouble, and it was European funding through Plaid Cymru being in government at that time which secured these jobs. Over 100 people now still work here because of Europe. But of course we don't want to be dependent on Europe. We want Europe's help to build our economy so that we are a strong economy, we can be independent, and then in the future work in partnership with other countries to help other areas that need that kind of funding, the poor areas of Europe.